Hey y'all, so if y'all think I should do better, just give me some feedback. I'm gonna sing a song and it's just about nature and it's a little about, everything. So, I hope y'all enjoy it. When you see the two butterflies landing on a flower, it just makes you think how beautiful creatures God created. What the world would it be if we didn't have Him? I'm just so thankful where I'm at in my life again. Just thank you for all the things in life and for healing me. When I was broken, you lifted me up again. And when you gave me a better life, I could do more things too. But if you don't trust in Him, then you won't get nowhere. You just have to put God first in your life, or you won't have nothing. And what do Christians need to do? We need to get them, we need to lead them to just God. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to lead people to you. I'm just so thankful that we have the life to choose. Yes, I'm so thankful that we have this life to choose. See, it's meant to be y'all. So, alright, bye.